A starship is torn. The year is 2023. At SpaceX's launch site in Boca Chica, Texas, a sense of anticipation hangs heavy in the air. All eyes are on the towering Starship rocket, a symbol of humanity's ambition to reach for the stars. With a fiery roar that shakes the ground, Starship roars to life and begins its ascent. The dream of a multi-planetary future seems tantalizingly close. But then, disaster strikes. High above the Earth, Starship explodes in a blinding flash. The shockwave ripples across the sky, a stark reminder of the immense power and inherent risks of space exploration. While the world watches in shock and disbelief, scientists analyzing data from the event stumble upon an unexpected discovery. Starship has punched a hole in the atmosphere. A hole in the sky. Our planet's atmosphere is far more than just the air we breathe. It's a multi-layered shield, protecting us from the harsh radiation of space. One such layer, high above the Earth's surface, is the ionosphere. Here, the air is thin and bathed in solar radiation, causing atoms to lose electrons and become electrically charged ions. The ionosphere plays a critical role in long-distance radio communication, reflecting radio waves back to Earth. But on that fateful day in November 2023, instruments detected something unusual. A gaping hole had appeared in the ionosphere above the Starship explosion site. This wasn't a physical hole in the traditional sense, but a region where the concentration of charged particles had drastically decreased. When chemistry changes the atmosphere, how could a rocket explosion affect something as vast as the ionosphere? The answer lies in the chemistry of combustion. Starship, like many rockets, is powered by a mixture of liquid methane and oxygen. When these substances burn, they produce not only heat and light but also byproducts like water vapor and carbon dioxide. These byproducts, when released at such a high altitude, interact with the charged particles in the ionosphere. The process is complex, but in essence, these byproducts can neutralize the ions, causing their density to plummet. The result? A temporary hole in the ionosphere. Section 4. Nature's Own Fireworks. As astonishing as this human-made event was, it's worth noting that nature itself can also disrupt the ionosphere. Volcanic eruptions, for instance, can spew massive amounts of charged particles and gases into the atmosphere, sometimes even reaching the ionosphere and causing similar disturbances. Earthquakes, too, can trigger atmospheric waves that propagate upwards and affect the ionosphere. However, the hole created by Starship was remarkable for its sheer scale and the speed at which it formed. It served as a potent reminder that even amidst the vastness of space, human activities can have far-reaching and unexpected consequences on our planet. Section 5. Eyes on the Skies. The detection of the ionospheric hole was made possible by a network of satellites equipped with specialized instruments. These satellites, orbiting high above Earth, constantly monitor the ionosphere, measuring its density and other properties. The data they collect helps scientists understand space weather, the dynamic conditions in space that can impact our planet. In the case of the Starship explosion, satellite data provided crucial insights into the formation and evolution of the ionospheric hole. By studying such events, scientists can refine their models of the upper atmosphere and improve our ability to predict and mitigate the effects of space weather on our technology and infrastructure. Section 6. To boldly go. The explosion of Starship in 2023 was a setback for SpaceX, but not a defeat. Space exploration, by its very nature, is fraught with risks. What sets SpaceX apart is its unwavering commitment to learning from these experiences and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Following the incident, SpaceX conducted a thorough investigation, analyzing the data and identifying areas for improvement. The company has since resumed testing, each launch an opportunity to refine the design and operation of Starship. The ultimate goal remains unchanged: to make humanity a multi-planetary species, capable of venturing beyond Earth and exploring the cosmos.